All right, you've ever been at home and started feeling yucky, and sometimes there's no one else at home to help go to the store and get you anything? Or maybe there is, but it's in the middle of the night and everybody's sleeping. So how can you have some items on hand and get organized? And that is planning and preparing ahead. Well, today we're going to talk about some items that I think would be a great idea to keep at home to help stay organized when you're feeling a little yucky. So I'm Lorraine Brock. I'm a professional organizer and owner of a company called Get Organized. And we take care of organizing people's homes and their lives here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, including packing, unpacking, and coming soon, fall decorating, Christmas decorating services, and all that takedown. So we love to take care of your home. So on to today's topic about items to keep in your home. So today's Tip Tuesday, and as always, I love bringing you guys tips. And I want to show you a couple items. So number one item you want to keep at home, or something similar to this, is some Gatorade. Now you could also use some ginger ale if you want something carbonated, or a 7-Up or Sprite. But keep something in your pantry that doesn't get open. Like, you don't want the kids, the hubby, yourself getting into this and drinking it, consuming it when it's really not for that purpose. Like, for example, I bought 3 of these not too long ago when the COVID thing sort of came out. I said, hey, if any of us get sick, we're going to have some Gatorade on hand. About a week later, come in, I guess my husband and I had been on a weekend trip. I come in the trash can, there's 3 of these empty in the trash can. I'm like, that was not for you guys to consume. Dude, come on. So I ended up buying some more. And I told my kids not to buy. Now, another way you can do it is you can put an X on top right here, and or a yucky face with the tongue sticking out, just something that they know that they cannot consume these. Again, same thing with a Sprite or 7-Up. Keep these on hand. Things always needs to be there when you get really dehydrated or you get an upset stomach and you don't have to worry about going out. Another thing is, and this is one of my favorite tip when I'm doing this, is keep these Pedialyte or even generic Pedialyte pops in the home. Now you can buy a bottle of Pedialyte just like this, and they all have an expiration date on it, even these. But these will stay better longer because you can keep them in the freezer. So I keep these even after the expiration date is over with because I'm freezing them. If you keep them in your pantry like this, they will not last as long, versus if you tear these apart and you keep them in your pantry. Now, these are not popsicles to consume because you want some summer fun. These are for when you're sick. So you might want to hide them in a place in the freezer that the kids can't see and get rather quickly. But these are always really good because this is something that can make you feel so good so quickly, and they come in generic form and they're great to keep on hand. We used to do this when our kids were little, but it works just as great when your kids are older or even you're an adult. So pick up some of these, keep them, make sure you're organized for when someone starts feeling horrible inside your home. Couple other things. Now, I'm not a doctor, and I can't guarantee that this is going to work for everyone's metabolism, but we always keep some echinacea pills, and we keep some echinacea drops. And the echinacea is an herb, a supplement that helps boost the immune system. You may also have vitamin C in the home. We always keep these. I watch the expiration date, and this is something that we start taking when we start feeling really, really bad. There's other things you can take too on the market that will help build your immune system. But again, keep them together, keep them stocked, and make sure you keep them in date inside of your vitamins or wherever you want to store them. Another thing, and this is not so pretty, so I'm about to show you. Well, it's okay, but the image that I'm going to create is not going to be real pleasant. When my family, probably when I was having children actually, that my oldest is 27, my youngest is 23. When you go into the hospital, they normally give you all this plastic stuff, right? To be able to use in case you need to for various reasons. I have always kept these. And I don't even know exactly what it is meant for, but we use this as a throw-up bowl in our house. I told you, I'm going to paint a mental imagery here you're not going to like. But it's just, this is kept, we have these under all of our beds. And if anyone, especially when they were littler, I mean, as an adult, this is probably not necessary very, very often, but we keep these underneath the beds. That means if there's something that you just can't make it to the bathroom and you have an upset stomach and you need to puke, then this is there underneath your bed so you can be able to have it and use it. And then we obviously disinfect it, clean it out, even put it in the dishwasher so all the germs are gone, and then be able to re-put it underneath their beds, because the dishwasher gets it really, really hot, and we'll be able to disinfect that even more. So I know it's sort of a gross topic, but it's reality that you want to be organized and have some of these things right at hand. What I have found out with a lot of families that we've organized with is they don't have really anything. When they start feeling bad, they actually have to run out and go get something. They don't keep anything, or very little, maybe some Tylenol or Advil. They just don't keep a whole lot of stuff. And so these are really simple things, because I don't want to get out in the middle of the night. My husband doesn't want to get out in the middle of the night. My kids don't want to get out in the middle of the night. Let's keep some things and be better organized when we're in our home, when we do start feeling bad. And again, mark them really well, because like I said, my kids drank all of ours because I didn't mark it. Like, I'm getting more. So anyway, hopefully that'll help you get organized when you're not feeling so good. All right. So, talk about our giveaway. I don't have it in front of me today, but our giveaway is a lap desk. If you want to go back and make any comments from any of our Tip Tuesdays for the month of August, go and do that now. You can go do all the way through the first one we did in August. Leave a comment down below, share with your friends, and the more you share, the more you make comments, the more you're entered for a chance to win our August giveaway, which is a lap desk. It's actually like a teal blue. Really, really cute. My granddaughter's getting that one for Christmas. Don't tell her. She's 7. She'll probably never watch this anyway. But the lap desk is actually, it raises up. You can store things inside. It has legs that come out that can set, but then it collapses. It has a handle. It's wonderful. I think I want to order my grandson one of these. These are really, really useful. Great in the car when you're traveling. Great if you're watching TV or you're in bed. I mean, it's just a great, or even what we're all doing, a lot of us now, is remote education. Great. We're going to give this away to someone. So again, leave a comment down below or share any of our Tip Tuesdays in August and you'll be entered. So that's it for Tip Tuesday today. Go get organized and go get well, or should I say stay well, and be organized with all your sick items if you need it. And I'll talk to you next week on Tip Tuesday. I'm Lorraine Brock with Get Organized, helping you get everything organized. Bye.